guys, my name is Niyati. Hola, me llamo Niyati, and today we are going to be talking about the celestial events of August. Now, August begins with a conjunction, and that conjunction is on August 11th, and it is the conjunction of the Moon and Saturn. Astronomically, conjunction means when two celestial objects look like they are in the same place or next to each other in the night sky. And in this case, those two objects are Saturn and the Moon. And then on August 12th, we have the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. Now, the Perseid meteor shower happens every year and in the month of August, and it happens when a comet called Swift-Tuttle is passing by Earth, and the meteors that we see are just the trail left by the comet. And we should see up to 150 meteors per hour, which is a lot of meteors. And now let's move on to the next event for August. The next event is on August 14th, and it is the opposition of Saturn. Now, opposition of Saturn means when Saturn is opposite to the Sun and it looks very bright in the night sky, but in the day sky you can't see it because the Sun is too bright. Then on August 15th, we have the conjunction of Moon and Jupiter, and in this case the two objects which look like they're next to each other is the Moon and Jupiter. And then again on August 15th we have Mercury at its evening peak. So it's basically just Mercury going the highest it can in the sky in the evening times, which is right when the Sun is setting and the Moon is already in the sky, and they're both in the sky, but the Sun has gone below the horizon far enough for us to be able to see Mercury. But if the Sun was a little bit more higher up in the sky, then we wouldn't be able to see it because the Sun's light would be hiding it all. And on August 18th, we have another meteor shower, which is the Cygni meteor shower. Now, this meteor shower isn't very big like the Perseid meteor shower. It only has 3 meteors per hour, and it should be taking place in the constellation of Draco near the star Cygnus. On August 19th, we have another conjunction, which is Mars conjuncting with the Moon. And in this case, the two objects that look like they're next to each other is Mars and the Moon. And then on August 22nd, we have an asteroid called Vesta, which will be at opposition with the Sun. It will be opposite from the Sun, like this is the Sun and this is the asteroid, and Earth is in between, and they're both opposite to each other. It's kind of like an eclipse, but not really, because this is not one of the objects that is orbiting the Earth, it's orbiting the Sun. So the asteroid will be at opposition with the Sun, and it will seem very bright in the nights. Now we'll talk about the moons of August. The new moon of August is on August 18th, and new moon basically means that you can't see the moon because it's not reflecting any light from the Sun. And then on August 11th, we have the full moon. The full moon this time is called the full sturgeon moon. The sturgeon is a kind of fish, and at this time of the year, they're being readily caught. That's why in the Farmer's Almanac, it's called as the sturgeon moon. It's named after the fish because they catch it a lot during this time of year. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, adios.